Couple of cleanup things that you need to do if you're going to post this online. Firstly, there's a bunch of metadata at the top of the thing. Remember to fill this in. So title, Pong. I just called it Pong. Author, your name. Description, what the game is. If you have a site. Otherwise, just remove this entire line, including the, just like that. The license defaults to MIT, which means free use. Anyone can use it. Anyone can adapt it. I am using the Creative Commons Attribution Non-Commercial license. That means that you can take this code, make your own thing with it, and put it online and share it with whomever, as long as you say where you got the original code, in other words, my code, attribute to the channel, and you don't sell it. Then I'm cool with it. Make sense? The same as on the GitHub. It's in the file as well. I'm not sure about the license, but the rest of this information, if you upload this to the TIC-80 website for other people to play, it's going to need a thumbnail. And where that thumbnail comes from is the most recent screenshot that you've taken. Now, we haven't really taken a screenshot, so this is probably fine, maybe just without the mouse in the screen. So to take a screenshot, you hit F7. If you're on a Mac and it defaults to your function row being your hotkeys, your media playback and brightness and so on, then you have to use the function button, but it'll say cover image saved. And then save. Either in here or type the word save. Run save. Save. Okay, now it has a thumbnail. Now let me quickly get to the TIC-80 website so that I can demonstrate the rest of this. Okay, so now you'll see the TIC-80 website running in the background here. On TIC-80, you type folder. It'll give you your folder, which we're looking at Pong 13, right? On TIC-80, you go up here to sign in. If you have a username, you type it in here. Otherwise, create an account. I'm just going to autofill my login. So you get logged in. Over here you can set your avatar. I think you might actually have to draw it, but that's fine. And then down here is your games. So in your case this will be blank. You just click down here, add cart. What are we adding? It's a game. Here you can put your text for your game. And then here where it says choose file, right? The easiest way to do it is to find your file and just drag it onto that button. There's the name of the file. And then you hit add cart. And that'll put it on. Okay, I'm just going to mark mine as a work in progress. Add cart. And there it is. Basically, that description was read out of the cart. It says who uploaded it, when it was added, the number of views. Someone else can download the cartridge. You can click to play and actually play it in the browser, which is also why it's handy to have keyboard controls. There's the text that I put in. And then people can leave comments, and the like thing on here is a little hearty tick computer. If you work on the file a little further, you can update cart and upload the new one to replace it. And as an added bonus, in TIC-80, there's a command called surf, which gives you this. Now these are your local files. Here's tic80.com. This is the stuff that's on the website. So if I, for instance, go to play, work in progress, new, there's our Pong. And there's our thumbnail in the background. If you hit Y on your controller, it'll go to the website for that we were just at. And if you just hit enter or the A button, it runs. So other people can now play your game. See? Works perfectly. And that is how you share your games with people. Also, this page that has the game on it, it has an address, a card number. You can share this address to your friends on whatever thing you want, and they can just play it in the browser. You don't even have to install TIC-80 to play it. So you can share your game.